How to enable 3-button navigation on Android. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up your settings on your device. You can access your settings by simply swiping down your notification panel and tap on the gear icon. You can also access your settings by simply opening your app drawer and scroll down and search for settings application. Now tap on settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on system and updates. Now on the first option, you will see system navigation. Tap on it. Now here you have two options, gestures and buttons. Now select simply buttons. Now once you select, 3 buttons will appear at the bottom of your screen. Now select layout of the buttons and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.